The Mortison Soulmasons are Osiric Bone Reaper wizards of the Mortison caste. They are those who evaluate and apportion the spirits of the dead collected to arcane vials by the Soul Reapers, and then filter and combine them into the gem-like phylacteries of their fellow constructs. As the highest ranking Mortisons, they have the authority to which spirits are used to create more Osirics and what type they would be. It is their duty to sort weak souls from those with the strength to persist. Like a butcher, they take the best parts of a spirit and render the rest into more general nourishment for the undead ranks around them. When engaged in their craft, the Soulmasons may appear if in a mystical daze, as if the concentration slips, the spirit matter may escape as geists. But for a Soulmason, it is simple enough matter to conjure attendant souls to aid them. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.